speaker. I did the full review about the speaker. The reason why I'm bringing the B2 audio. If you guys remember, I did multiple videos before, and today we're gonna take a look at the ATOTO, right? The speaker. I did the full review about the speaker. The reason why I'm bringing the B2 audio. So the B2 audio here, it's range 65. As you can see, beautiful, like the carbon fiber the speakers. So reason why I'm doing the video, the ATOTO is a brand new company. When I did the video about this speaker, was a one comment, and on Amazon the posting is sucks. You never see on the first and second page this speaker. And also one star review, they were saying like this speaker sounds sucks. But when I test the speaker itself, I thought this speaker is gonna destroy a lot high-end speakers. Reason why I did that, as I'm gonna cover on this video, we're gonna play multiple side-by-side music, right? Reason why I'm doing this kind of videos, so ATOTO is nice. The brand new companies in the market, the Amazon, it's Amazon based sale. Of course they will sell entire network. You can find in eBay, you can find in Temu, and you can find any other platforms. B2 Audio is surprisingly a good sounding speaker, especially I like to have the tweeter performance, right? But only I think it's a 65 or 85 watt RMS power on the B2 audio. The both it comes with the grill, but for the similar price, even a little bit more expensive. ATOTO, it's 60 watt RMS power, the less RMS power, but a lot quality, bigger magnet, and the basket, everything's quality. It's better than these two guys. And the tweeters also, as you can see, I damaged and then try to pull it to carbon fiber. It handles the bass a lot. So we're gonna connect and we're gonna take a look how this speaker will sound. So B2 audio, as you can see, you have a multiple, like the Alpine, so you have a multiple different filtrations. The filters for the tweeters is really good, and then for the bass also you have extra filter. And ATOTO, it's only the filter for the tweeters, and we don't see it. It's built inside the tweeter, but the while management, this ATOTO looks the cheapest between those two. They can make a little bit better quality soldering, but that's fine. So add the ATOTO to the box. We're gonna install that. I'm gonna play this with the multiple music, and I'm gonna give you my conclusion. Hey guys, here's the deal. So we installed it. I just tested SKAR audio versus ATOTO. 1 star review on the Amazon, but this speaker was performing very well. I say it on multiple videos. It's not the 1 star audio, but this guy, it was surprisingly well performing speaker. So now we're gonna test it. Alright, from the first note, comment below guys, which speaker you like better. This is really close comparative, so we're gonna give a lot of juice to open up these speakers. Let me choose better music. Alright, I'm gonna return the bass. This is the bassy side. And I'm gonna open up the clarity all the way. We're gonna test the tweeters now. Let me give some bass and clarity. It's gonna be a lot of pressure for the speakers. All right, let's do it. That's how you burn the speaker. Alright, so, oh my god, that was a lot of pressure for the both speakers. And start to comment below, guys, if you're using the headphones, what kind of headphones you guys using it. Because I put the links on the description for the nice headphones, so you guys don't spend a lot of money, but you guys still able to listen the quality of the music, right? I'm recording with the nice microphones, you guys are not gonna get any distortions, and you will clearly hear the audio quality. So now, B2 Audio was a very nice sounding speaker, right? And it's still good sounding speaker. Tweeters are specs better than ATOTO, but this speaker doesn't not inch behind from this B2 Audio. As you can see, I always say specs are all the garbage, because if you side to side test like this, watch my other videos, what happened with the best selling SKAR audio comparison with the worst reviewed speaker, right? I did a test, these two speakers, and surprisingly different output. So now, less RMS rated, higher RMS rated, but this one's already, it's picking up at the bass. If I add a little bit more sound, a little bit more volume, this one's gonna start cracking. But this guy doesn't have filter for the area, for the bass side. This one has a filter for the bass side, right? So this one doesn't have it, but it's still, I told you this one's gonna start cracking, but it's surprisingly well handling. So even these guys put 100 watt RMS power, it's gonna handle the 100 watt RMS power without any issues, right? Because I tested with the SKAR audio. But this guy, whatever rated RMS power, I think it's very accurate. So comment below, guys, which one you're gonna choose it. Very nice speaker, very nice sounding speaker for the right price on the market. Tweeters are really good balance, and this guy is also not far behind. Only thing we're gonna do, we're gonna vote, and the people's gonna choose which speaker is better and which one we're gonna use. A lot of speakers is coming to the channel. Alpine Audio, Alpine launched a bunch of speakers. NVX, I ordered NVX 6.5 speakers. I ordered CT Sound all over the place on the Facebook. It was CT Sound out, so I ordered CT Sound speaker, and we're gonna test those also with these speakers. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.